Escudero for Senate presidency?
Nakapag-commit na kami. I don't know kung nakapirma na yung iba.
Ay, kayo, sir.
Ako, nakapirma na ako.
Pero,
For the record, sino-sino kayong Duterte Black na nag-commit?
We call ourselves as Duterte 7. Duterte 7.
So that's you.
Senator Bungo, Senator Robin Padilla, Senator Marcolita, Senator Aimee Marcos, and the two Villar.
pero Senator Amy, sir, nag-commit na rin? Senator Amy?
I don't know. I don't know kung nag-usap na sila personally, pero in principle, kami, Duterte Black, napag-usapan namin, we are inclined to support Senate President Chis Escudero.
Why, sir?
Well, wala naman kami nakitang hindi dapat siya suportahan. So, we support him.
Walang kapalit like yung mga committee chairmanship, sir?
Wala naman kasi as is mala ako. Wala man akong hiningi, wala man rin pinarami sa akin. Basta nagustuhan ko lang yung pamamalakad niya sa amin, sa Senado. Yung leadership niya is nakita ko is very open to everything. Hindi siya close-minded, hindi siya porque ganito siya, panindigan niya ganito siya, o porque ganun, yung nakikinig siya. So that's what we need as a democratic institution, pakinggan ang lahat.
So, sir, kung tatanungin ka, anong hihingin mong committee kay Senate President Escudero?
Wala na akong hinihingi kasi meron naman tayong equity of the incumbent kung ganun, di ba? Kung, halimbawa, we will vote for him as the Senate President, tapos ayaman ng incumbent senator, kung ano yung hawak ko, I suppose yung pa rin naging hawakan ko. Equity of the incumbent nga. So, hindi ko na hiningi sa kanya yan. At hindi rin niya in-offer sa akin dahil that's my understanding.
Sir, last na lang. So, si Marcoleta nga ba, Blue Ribbon Committee Chairman, sir?
Yan ang hinihingi niya and I presume na napangako na sa kanya.
Sir, may talks about impeachment nung time na bago kayo mag-commit with SP Cheese, may hiling ba kayo or any favors asked about the impeachment proceedings?
Wala kaming his stand towards impeachment is not a factor to our decision in choosing him as our Senate President. Ang pinaka-big factor dyan na nakikita ko lang talaga is yung pagka-open niya. Nakikinig siya. Lahat ng sides pinapakinggan niya. So, yun ang nagustuhan namin na liderato. Yes.
Sa impeachment, sir, di ba po, nag-move kayo para i-dismiss yung articles of impeachment ng June 10. Uulitin niyo po ba yan pag nag-reopen kayo? Yung hihingin na ho ba yan? Hihingin ba yan ng Duterte 7?
Mag-usap pa kami. Titingnan namin. Baka sabihin nyo, insisting naman itong mga tao na ito, pabalik-balik. Hiningin na namin yan noon, di ba? Pero one thing I can assure you is that ako, from my personal na paniniwala ko ito, that since tinanong ng impeachment court yung House of Representatives as to their stand whether or not itong 28th Congress House of Representatives is willing to be bound by the actions of their predecessors, yung House of Representatives ng 19th Congress, are they willing to continue or are they willing to bind themselves to